Day 2 of the snowstorm in West Yellowstone. Day 2. I want you to see the snow that has accumulated. Do you remember these chairs from yesterday? I hope so, because you'll be shocked to see them fully covered with snow now. Look at our poor barbecue pit.
What?
Oh.
You want a cheeseburger? Yeah, here's a cheeseburger. All right. Cheeseburger. All right. Here you go. Let's have a seat right here. Here you go. All right.
Okay, say hi, Maria.
Hi. Get your cheeseburger right.
This is the front of the house. Can you see that our car has snow on it? See how pretty it looks, though? It's just beautiful. There went a bird. And our poor little flowers are dead, dead, dead. We have lots of business, though, because of our coats and jackets and all of our warm polar fleece. Just thought you'd like to see it. Bye, birdie.